Real talk, mamas. Imagine pumping liquid gold at 35,000 feet without squeezing your elbows together, without throwing a nursing cover over your head, and definitely without hiding in a tiny airplane lavatory. What if I told you the ultimate pumping oasis is actually on a commercial flight? Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood while keeping your travel aesthetic totally bougie and stress-free. Today, we are spilling the tea on Anna's brand new business class suite, the Room FX. If you are a pumping mama dreaming of a luxury vacation or heading overseas for work, this flight experience is an absolute game changer. Grab your iced coffee, and let's get into why this cabin is the ultimate sky-high sanctuary for your supply. Let's start with the most important feature for any breastfeeding mom, which is pure, unadulterated privacy. The Room FX is exactly what it sounds like. It is a massive, self-contained suite with its own sliding doors. We are talking over 40 inches of shoulder space. You can literally sit cross-legged like you are on your own living room sofa, with plenty of room to stash your designer bag full of diapers, while you let the gate agents worry about checking your travel strollers. No more weird eye contact with the guy across the aisle while you are trying to attach your flanges. You just close your sliding door, dim your personal reading lights, and pump in absolute peace. It is the kind of VIP privacy that makes a 14-hour flight feel like a total spa day. Now, let's talk gear and keeping that milk safe. Pumping on a long-haul flight requires a solid strategy, but the Room FX makes it an absolute breeze. Every single suite is decked out with universal power outlets, USB-C, and wireless charging, so you never have to worry about your portable pump dying mid-session. If you are rocking a wearable pump like the LV, you have massive side consoles to lay out all your parts cleanly. And here is the best travel hack for your milk. Bring a high-end chiller like the Sears Chill, and simply press your call button to ask the flight attendant for some ice to refresh the inner chamber. The flight crew is famously incredible, and they will gladly help you keep those precious ounces perfectly cold. But the luxury doesn't just start when you board. Booking a premium ticket like this means you get full access to the absolute best airport lounges before you even have to deal with the TSA security line. You can hit the lounge, enjoy a hot meal, and use their spacious nursing rooms to get a solid pump session in before takeoff. Plus, if you play the points and miles game right, you do not have to spend thousands of bucks. You can book this ultra-premium experience for literally pennies on the dollar using your credit card points. Traveling the world while pumping doesn't have to mean compromising on comfort. You deserve to treat yourself, mama. If you love these hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your dream vacation destination. Safe travels!